So children, the balance in the assets, capital and liability was 7,16,133, 5,64,023 plus 1,52,110. Now the remaining transactions related to sale of goods and sale of assets are to be dealt with today. So sold goods of list price rupees 1,10,000 to L. L is a person to whom the goods have been sold at a trade discount of 10% and cash discount 5%. See working note 1. So here list price of goods sold was 1,10,000. List price is the catalog price. Then less trade discount 10%. So 10% of 1,10,000 is 11,000. Therefore the sales price comes to 99,000. Now less cash discount 5%. Cash discount 5% means that the entire amount has been paid, then only the cash discount will be received. So 5% comes to 4,950. So rupees 94,050 was the amount that has been received. So here in the assets 94,050 was received and goods of rupees 99,000 was sold. There was a cash discount that we have allowed. It is a loss. On sales, the discount allowed is a loss. So there is a loss of rupees 4,950 which will be subtracted from the capital. No effect on liabilities. Therefore the accounting equation comes to 7,11,183 assets, 5,59,073 capital, 1,52,110 is the liability. Now the 31st transaction, sold goods of list price rupees 1,20,000 to M at a trade discount of 10%, received 70% of the amount and allowed cash discount at the rate 5%. See the working note 2. The list price of the goods sold is 1,20,000. Trade discount is 10%. 1,20,000 into 10 by 100 is 12,000. So the sales price comes to rupees 1,08,000. Now cash discount is 5%. 5% of 1,08,000. It comes to 5,400. Amount left is 1,02,600. And the cash received is 75,600. That is 1,08,000 70%. It is 75,600. So the balance yet to be received from M is 27,000. So M becomes our debtor by rupees 27,000. The amount that has received from M, that is 70% of rupees 1,08,000 is 75,600, and the goods that the cost of the worth of the goods sold to him was 1,08,000. The discount allowed, which is a loss, is 5,400, which will be subtracted from capital, and no effect on your liabilities. Then the accounting equation after this is 7,05,783 are the assets and 5,53,673 is your capital. 1,52,110 is your liability. Now 32nd transaction, sold goods of list price rupees 1,30,000 to N at a trade discount of 10%, receipt from and rupees 40,000 in cash and rupees 60,000 by check and allowed cash discount at the rate 5%. See working note 3. Now the working note 3, the list price of the goods sold are 1,30,000. We will subtract the trade discount at the rate 10%, 1,30,000 into 10 by 100. It comes to 13,000. The amount left is 1,17,000. This is the sales price of the goods. We will subtract the cash discount. That is 5% of 1,17,000. That comes to 5,850. Therefore, the balance left is 1,11,150. Out of this, cash has been received 40,000 and check of rupees 60,000 has been received. Means 1 lakh has been received. So the amount yet to be received from N is 11,150. So N becomes our debtor for rupees 11,150. 40,000 has been received in cash, 60,000 has been received by check, all our assets added to the assets, and goods of rupees 1,17,000 were sold, so 1,17,000 will be subtracted. The discount allowed, which is a loss, will be subtracted from the capital and no effect on liability. So the accounting equation comes to 6,99,933 assets, 5,47,823 your capital, 1,52,110 is your liability. It's clear?